Hello, this is ATL Labs, and we have found a disease in an abandoned Canadian lab. Basically, there were a blue and a red vial. After injecting the liquids into two subjects, the red subject ended up getting angry and saying in reversed language about something we can't understand while throwing chairs and his skin melting off. While the blue test subject ended up whispering stuff as obey the gods and crazy stuff. Anyway, this is just a broadcast to everyone. Stay out of floor 10 with them. Underground floor 10. Thank you. This has been ATL Broadcast, and we are out.